Hi, everyone. My name is Emily DesJardins, and I am the UDL content lead for the Open Access Project. I'm really excited to share with you an AI tool that could really transform your UDL lesson planning. Ludia is an AI-powered UDL partner that was created by two teachers who truly wanted to create a free resource for all to really help implement UDL in classrooms in a more efficient and effective way. And I'll tell you, I really think they succeeded. We've been playing around with Ludia for a while, and I've made several videos, and I feel like every time I make a video, I learn something else that it does. And every time I explore, I have to update my video to include the cool thing that it can do. So the possibilities are truly endless. In order to kind of create a more efficient way of spreading this information, I created a little checklist just to give you guys some things to think about when you're using Ludia. The first recommendation I have is be as specific as possible. When Ludia does give you a response that you don't like or you do like, give it feedback, respond. This is great. Thank you so much. This is exactly what I was looking for. Or actually, I love the first part, but the second part, I'm wondering if you could ingest and make it more X, Y, or Z. It will do that, and that will help train it for all future users. Every day it's getting better and better. That's AI for you. So I want to take you through the checklist that I created and then show you a little bit about how UDL or how Ludia works, not UDL, you know what I'm saying. So this is the checklist that I created, and it starts with, this is a link to Ludia itself. This is what the chat looks like. There's some tips for getting started. There's some ideas of things you could ask. And then there's specific prompts for how to ask, and then ways that you can respond or ask for more information. My biggest recommendation is just be creative, be specific, have fun. It does do translations. It will make checklists. It will make sentence frames. It will create full lessons for you, choice boards, rubrics. My goodness, the world is your oyster. So I want to show you a quick chat that I created. It created a third grade nonfiction text feature lesson for me. I asked it to create a choice board. I adjusted that choice board. I asked for a visual chart with nonfiction text features that my students could use as a resource. And then I asked it for a rubric. I adjusted the rubric because I was looking for more like a glows and grows specific type thing. There's so many fabulous things you can do. The other thing I really want to suggest is play around with it, explore it, and just maybe think of one specific upcoming lesson you have and think about anything that you could imagine that you would want to make that lesson better and see if Ludia can provide it for you. I have a feeling it can. And then last but not least, I do want to mention, although it creates these amazing charts and rubrics, when you copy and paste it into a Google Doc, the table does not go as well. So instead, what I just do is I create a table the same size in my Google Doc, and I just copy and paste each section. I know that's a little bit tedious, but I promise it creates so much for you that even just that dragging and dropping, copying and pasting, it's worth every bit of copying and pasting. So have fun exploring, and I wish you luck.